Looking to power your home, RV, or boat with solar energy? The Anbte Solar Kit has everything you need for a quick and secure installation. It includes 4 rails and clamps, fixing screws and rubber pads. Designed for ease and durability. Made from lightweight, corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy, these brackets are built to last through tough outdoor conditions. The innovative 2-hole end clamps fit different panel sizes effortlessly, making solar setup simple and reliable. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to make your solar project easier and more reliable? The Anbte Solar Clamps are your perfect choice. This complete set includes 10 high-quality aluminum alloy center clips with mounting screws and nuts designed to fit 30 to 35 mm framed solar panels. Easy to install and built to last, these clamps resist rust and weather, making them ideal for home, RV, or marine solar setups. Get durable, quick, and hassle-free solar panel mounting today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Anbte Solar Mounting Kit, your perfect solution for easy and secure solar panel installation. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it offers lightweight yet strong support that resists corrosion in outdoor environments. Featuring innovative end and middle clamps, plus high-quality stainless steel screws and rubber pads, this complete kit makes mounting 2 solar panels on various roof types smooth and hassle-free. Its practical design reduces roof impact and ensures the secure fit. Get started on your solar journey today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to boost your solar energy efficiency? Meet the YMQHBS solar brackets, the perfect solution for flexible and secure solar panel mounting. Their adjustable design lets you optimize sun exposure for maximum energy output, while the durable construction withstands wind and rain. Compatible with various solar panel sizes and easy to install, these brackets make solar setup hassle-free. Invest in reliable, high-quality support for your solar system today. You'll find the purchase link, description, and in the pinned comment. Discover the Anbte Solar Mounts, the ultimate solution for your solar panel needs. Crafted from rust-proof aluminum alloy and stainless steel screws, these mounts resist corrosion and UV damage, ensuring long-lasting durability. Their stable, anti-vibration design prevents panel misalignment even in windy or bumpy conditions. The all-in-one hardware kit makes installation quick and easy, whether you're on a rooftop, RV, boat, or yacht. Yet sturdy, these mounts are perfect for portable solar setups. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.